When we have legends around us, so we really need an introduction, sir. I'm so obliged to have you here in Delhi.
It's a great pleasure to be here. We are looking forward to coming to Calcutta. Then we are also performing in Chandigarh. We will do it in Chennai, and it's a big tour, Bangalore. It's so nice to be here in Delhi, and thanks to all of you.
Ma'am, it has always been a pleasure, hearing your voice and the complete magic you have carried in the classical form, as well as we have loved your Bollywood presence. Right now, seeing you here performing with the international artists, it was a huge thing. And you have always mentioned that you follow your gurus till date, which is that one learning that makes you keep going in life.
One learning is to be very humble about your music and realize that you don't know everything and there is so much to learn, and you have to remain a student of music all your life to enjoy it and to keep the learning process on.
So once you mentioned that music is just not entertainment, it is about discipline. It teaches you discipline. But in today's era where we are just running after 30 seconds of Instagram reels, how do you think that the modern generation can still delve into the peace and discipline of music?
I think ultimately once they get into it, they can't get out of it because we have been doing our Lakshminarayana International Global Music Festival for 35 years. Every time we have been seeing new next generation of people, younger people. So I think if they are not interested, they won't be coming back. So I know even with the Instagram, everything with a shorter duration of things happening, there is space for things like that, which is much more creative and much soul searching, much for peace and harmony and everything. So a lot of things people do get involved. And I'm very, very happy because three generations of all my family, in addition to Kavita, Bindu, my daughter, my son Ambi and Mahati, granddaughter, we all into music, and we are all completely taking the Lakshminarayana International Global Music Festival in different cities together. So happy and blessed.
We are so much looking forward to this music festival in the next years. But ma'am, there's one thing which I would like to mention. As sir just mentioned that we have three generations here performing and they are right in front of me. I would like to ask you that, just being a parent, had there been any moment when your kids just have come up to you and asked, "Ki mom, I'm feeling scared that because you both have set such a legacy, we'll be able to, take it forward and carry the same legacy with the same, amount of divine spirit with your classical twist."
Well, shall I tell you that we are three generations together, and sometimes all three of us, before going upstage, we are all three of us scared, including me. I might be the senior most, but there is always tension going up on the stage, and they can realize that. And they tell, "Mom, it'll be great. Your voice is fine. Don't worry." Similarly, when they are nervous, I kept telling them, "No, just keep on doing it. You're sounding fine. You're sounding fine." So we keep encouraging each other, and that's what it is. That the process of being together.
More than
learning
anybody,
together.
I was scared today because we were premiering Navagraha Symphony with all of us. One of the most difficult
It's the
pieces
first
for
time we
everybody
did
to
Navagraha
sing.
today,
And all the
Yeah.
children, when everybody worked on it so much, so nice to hear it, physically hear it.
So last but not the least, because I am standing just next to both of the legends, one last thing, because we are moving towards the generation which loves pop music so much that it is totally after. Now independent artists are, actually taking over. They are making music from themselves, not just for Bollywood, not just to commercialize, but for independent music. As you both being, such legendary artists, how do you see the shift in the industry? Because earlier people used to make songs for Bollywood. There was a craze. But now the independent artists are getting, more upfront.
Well, I think it's fantastic because now all musicians want to have their own creating. They produce their own songs, they write, and they have a particular concept like what we used to do for music directors and film. They're doing it themselves. And I think independent music, independent artists should be encouraged, and they are our future, definitely.
Sir, thank you so much for taking your time out, ma'am. Thank you so much. Last, while recalling my own interview, my own channel, you mentioned that it was, just talked about that you were, wanted to be a doctor, not just a musician. But if today you were not just a musician, तो किस चीज़ के डॉक्टर होते आप?
If you're not a musician, what kind of a
I'll be writing prescriptions. Okay. But fortunately, I'm not doing that. I'm doing what I love and what my father Lakshminarayana wanted me to
always
do.
want to do music. I
So
don't think anything
it was
comes,
It was my father's dream, which I'm following, and with his blessing, I'm able to continue my music.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am, for taking your time out and giving us such an amazing night. Thank you so much. Namaste.
Namaste.